TikTok Lite game rewards are real, but there's a catch nobody warns you about. So, what are the TikTok Lite game rewards? So, TikTok Lite has used rewards-based activities where you can earn points for completing tasks depending on the marketing campaign. This can include watching videos, checking, inviting, and other activities. So, some current 2026 report also show TikTok Lite rewarding campaigns still appear in certain markets, including Japan. So what's the catch? The reward aren't guaranteed to be available of every TikTok users, guys. So this is part of many tutorial like um, stuff. Your country slash region. It may depend on like your country slash region, account, your age, your current promotion, whether your company is still running, specific tasks TikTok has assigned to you. So why does one person have reward while another doesn't? TikTok can run different reward program. It's very different market, guys. So if you're talking about this right here, the points right here, you can redeem some coins right here for money. As you can see right now, we have Gcash, still loading. There Gcash, bank account, and also have Maya that we can redeem our money with. But there you guys. So yeah, the biggest thing to remember: TikTok Lite rewards are real, but there isn't one universal game reward system for everyone. The reward campaign you see can depend heavily on your market and current promotion. So the safest way to know whether you qualify is to check what's actually shown inside your TikTok Lite account. So there you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, concerns, happy to guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible, guys. See you guys in the next one, and thank you guys.